everyone, I'm Mutlu.
I'm Mayman. Today we're gonna make shaving cream art.
Yes.
We need shaving creams,
Mhm.
food colorings, rulers, and sticks.
Yes.
If you don't have sticks, you can get pencils
Or
or brush like this.
Very nice. And what else?
And craft paper.
Yes, white craft paper to use at the end.
Yes. Get your shaving cream.
Okay,
First.
should we start? All right.
Ready?
Yes.
I don't use glue. I want to use glue.
You don't want to use glue?
I'm gonna use glue.
Are you going to use glue?
My mom is not listening carefully.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now we need to take our white paper. First, you need to clean your hands. Okay?
I'm gonna get my white paper.
Okay, ready?
Set, go.
On top of your artwork, and now let's print our artwork. Yes.
Like a drum
Yes, like a drum.
or a computer.
Okay, ready? Wait, let's do it
Okay.
together. From here.
Ready, set, go.
Okay. Da-da-da-da. No! But this was supposed to be like a butterfly.
Here.
Well, anyways, maybe it will once we scrape out the shaving cream. We need to clean it more, okay?
Can you get mine?
Yes, 1 minute. Hold on.
I might do that.
I'll help you, don't worry. We hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.